Hi everyone, meet my innovation, my TVET tracker or my T-Square, the simple, secure and built application for TVET student. Why my T-Square? Because most TVET systems track attendance and grades separately, but never entrepreneurial skills. My T-Square is the first integrated mobile application that tracks attendance, academics, entrepreneurial competencies and career potential. I am Nur Fadila Rofa, a PhD student from Faculty of Business Management from UiTM. Let me show you how it's works. This is my T-Square team. Our team member consists of me, Nur Fadila Rofa, as team leader, and my two advisors, Professor Dr. Rohananga and Professor Madya Hardidor Rahim from UiTM Shah Alam. This is the dashboard of my T-Square or my TVET tracker, which consists of whereabouts, academic progress, potential career pathway, and entrepreneurial competencies in a mobile application and tablet format. Many TVET students struggle to track competencies, workplace hours, assessment, and certification across multiple situations and industry bodies. Records are often fragmented, making it hard for learners to demonstrate progress for instructors to verify competencies. This fragmentation delays assessment, reduces completion rates, and undermines trust in skill data. My TVET Tracker is a mobile application designed to help TVET students and instructors monitor for important aspects of student development, whereabouts, academic progress, potentials, and entrepreneurial competencies. This application is developed to solve the problem of disconnected record keeping in TVET institutions, where attendance, grades, and soft skills are often tracked separately using paper or different systems. My TVET trackers or my T-Square simplify TVET management, which is instructors monitor performance, students explore career pathway, all in one mobile platform. Let me quickly walk you through benefit my TVET tracker. For instructors, it's one dashboard for everything, attendance, grades, report, and no more paperwork. You will get real-time student data, spot trends early, and even track entrepreneurial skills like creativity and problem solving. Plus, you can monitor your student progress and verify student location during field training. For students, it's just as powerful. They see their attendance, grades, and competencies alive. They get personalized career pathway suggestions like digital technician based on their performance, and they also can track entrepreneurial skill beyond just academics. The bottom line, less admin, better insight, and clear direction for both teachers and learners. How did we build my TVET tracker? We use an agile and user-centered approach, meaning we focus on real instructor and student needs, and we improve the application continuously. We collect user feedback, analyze it, prioritize changes, and release updates. This loop creates better experience and better learning outcome. My TVET tracker or my T-Square was awarded Innovation Bronze Award in International Business Management, which were Innovation and Invention of Ideas Competition, BICCC 2025, organized by UiTM Shah Alam. And what brings us to the gateway of it all? The login screen. Simple, secure, accessible. Whether you are an instructor or a student, one ID and password unlock your entire TVET journey, from attendance and grade to career pathway and skill tracking. No more scattered file, no more guessing, just one platform that puts everything at your fingertip, anytime, anywhere. From this login, we build a system that saves time, empower learners, and help instructors make smarter decisions. My TVET tracker, not just a tool, but a complete ecosystem for TVET success. For further discussion and collaboration, please reach at the stated email. Thank you.